what a 43 million pesos total contract price of a executive 2-bedroom with balcony here in Uptown Niles Residence looks like. Silipin natin. So before entering, you would be having this digital lock set, and it can be accessed through PIN codes, keycard access, fingerprints, and even traditional keys. So tara, dito naman tayo. By the way guys, this unit is already smart home equipped. Then upon entering, you will be having this video intercom na pwede mag-connect sa atin sa inyo sa lobby. So if may mga guests kayo o may mga parcels na naghahanap sa inyo, pwede nyo siyang kontakin yung lobby natin. And we do also have here digital switches that can be connected to your phone. By the way guys, dito naman tayo sa ating kitchen set. And so you will be having these kitchen appliances such as 4-zone induction cooktop. And also magkakaroon kayo ng built-in oven from Gorenway and range hood. And aside from that, magkakaroon din kayo ng retro fridge. Then aside from that, magkakaroon din kayo ng kitchen cabinets, overhead and under countertop. So for our box type faucet and sink, magkakaroon din kayo na from Frankie. Then dito naman sa likod ko, we do have a mixed room with its own toilet and shower. So we are currently here in our spacious dining area that can accommodate up to 4 to 6 assets. Then dito naman tayo sa ating living, and you will be having a split type inverter aircon from Daikin, and also magkakaroon na rin kayo ng direct access sa ating balcony. Take note guys with the view of Antipolo Mountains. So this is the common toilet and bath of the executive 2-bedroom here. And apparently what you see is what you get. Welcome sa ating bedroom 1 here in executive 2-bedroom in Uptown Arts. So you will be having these modular closets. And aside from that, meron na tayo split type inverter aircon. Then tara, ito naman tayo sa master bedroom. Welcome sa ating master bedroom, and as you can see, you will be having this view of Antipolo Mountains. Then magkakaroon din kayo ng direct access sa balcony. Then you will be having a built-in walk-in closet, and aside from that, an inverter split type aircon there from Daikin. And also, meron na rin siyang master toilet and bath. So complete sanitary fixtures na to. What you see is what you get. This unit, by the way, comes with a total contract price of 43 million pesos and only 10% down payment to process your fee. So if you're interested in this unit, just message me on my contacts below, and I'll see you on my next video.